you need to know the formula for average rate of change. And average rate of change over an interval, it's always given with the function, and you're always given some interval. And the formula for average rate of change is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And we'll call them that average rate of change, or AROC. So for question number 1, I need f of 1 minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0. And I can see that f of 1 is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that's going to give us 6 minus, and f of 0 is just 3 over 1. So that's just going to give me 3 over 1. So the average rate of change for this function over this interval is 3 over 1. Over the interval from 1 to 2, well, I need f of 2 minus f of 1 over 2 minus 1. And f of 2 is going to be 4 plus 4. So that's 8 plus 3 is 11. I'm going to work vertically here. 11 minus, and f of 1 I already know is 6 over 1. So that's going to be 5 over 1. And f of 101 over, so I need f of 101 minus f of 100 all over 101 minus 100. And I'm going to need a calculator for that. Personally, I'm not going to do that in my head. I could be a little fancy here. I'll talk about that in a second. But I'm just going to have 101 squared plus 2 times 101 plus 3 is going to give me, so this is 10406 minus, and f of 100 is going to be 100 squared plus 200 plus 3 is 10203 all over 1. And what that's going to give me is that thing minus that thing. On the top I get 203. Okay, and the question is, what is this all about? Well, if I was going to look at the graph of this, one thing we know about the graph of this is that it's a parabola, and let's see, it does not have any x-intercepts, because I know that if I did, whatever. And I know that the y-intercept is 3, and the vertex is going to be at x is -1, so I have something that looks like this. Okay, if I'm looking for the rate of change over the interval from 0 to 1, well, it's the slope of that line. The slope of that line would be 3. Between 1 and 2, well, I'm looking for the slope of this line. And it makes sense that it's going to be steeper, doesn't it? And for 100 and 101, I'm way over towards the right here. And I'm finding the slope of the line between the points where x is 100 and x is 1, and that's going to be really, really, really steep.